I'm in Melasti Bungalow now. Melasti Kuta Bungalow. Hello, Stephen. How are you today? Right now, I'll be in Melasti Kuta Bungalow in Kartika Street. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. You see what the boom park right side? I think they closed because emergency lockdown. Okay, this is Kartika Street. Look very quiet. There is a lot of big hotel around here and restaurant. You see, there is the big hotel, Bali Garden. Look very quiet. And today I will try to go to one hotel called Melasti Kuta Bungalow. We will see how look like the condition at the moment in this hotel. So this is Melasti Kuta Bungalow. Look very quiet, isn't it? This hotel is very strategic location because nearby Kuta Beach, art market, shopping mall, and everything easy around here, like a restaurant and night bar. So that's why this area is very famous. So what do you think about this hotel? It's very quiet, isn't it? Actually, all around Bali at the moment the hotel is very quiet because this is still in emergency lockdown for Bali, and emergency lockdown for Bali extended again until 23 of August. It's very sad, isn't it? So this is reception. Just look like no people. So all hotel around Bali will be quiet. Just look the same everywhere. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video, and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, and also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the situation in Bali during the pandemic corona. We hope together this pandemic corona will be over as soon as possible. So Bali get busy again and starting the business. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.